Thinking of elevating your personal brand can be difficult if you don't have a place to start. In our course, Personal Branding, Stand Out and Succeed, we've created a framework that can help you get to the core of what sets you apart. We call it the MC2A framework.
Now the framework comes in 4 stages: authenticity, distinctiveness, defining your best self, and brand story.
In step 1, we'll work with you to define your core values, your beliefs, what guides you, what informs your actions and behaviors, what drives you to be your best self.
When we think about branding being distinctive, we can easily describe and illustrate its core messages, imagery, and values. Our brains can easily recall the brand with minimal effort, and you can do the same with your personal brand. This is step 2 of the MC2A framework.
Step 3 explores how you can present your best self to the world through your branding. You'll work to identify the parts of you that shine during moments of triumph, adversity, or building relationships with others.
Lastly, you'll use all these lessons to help build your brand story, the components of your most authentic self that help paint a clear picture, distinct picture of your values, goals, and beliefs.
Personal branding, stand out and succeed. Gain a deeper understanding of what makes you you and how you can leverage your unique traits to build your brand with the MC2A framework and other techniques to build a brand that's authentically you.